Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how to lock and unlock user accounts in a Linux system. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is issue this command cat/etc/shadow in order to view the content of the shadow/etc/shadow directory, because it will show us which user accounts are locked and which user accounts are unlocked. And it gives a lot more information, but for today's tutorial this is all we need. So let's scroll down a little and let's see which user accounts are locked and which are unlocked. So here we see that the djackson, ddave, djackson, ddave are locked, and sdo and ldo, jdo are not locked. David and jdo are locked. So how do I know that? So here you see in front of the user accounts that I mentioned were locked, you see that it basically means that these user accounts are locked. Let me show you the other ones. Sdo, we don't see that in front of sdo, ldo and jdo. It means that these user accounts are not locked. But when you see that in front of these user accounts, it means that these user accounts are locked. Okay, so now let me show you how to unlock some of these user accounts and lock some of these user accounts. Okay, so let's unlock David and jdo. Let's unlock these two user accounts. For that, you would need to type usermod -u and type the username, which is David in this case. I'm going to type usermod again -u lowercase j and do. So let me view the content of the shadow directory again, and as you can see, these user accounts have been unlocked. You don't see that in front of these two. Okay, so let's lock the sdo and the ldo user accounts. Let's lock these. Usermod -L ldo, usermod -L sdo. Now if we go back to view the content, you'll see that these two user accounts have been locked. You see that in front of them now. It means that these user accounts are locked now. Okay, that is basically it, guys. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.